Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss our topic that what is media access control or MAC. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in networking in computer and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. Friend, a MAC address, a media access control address, is a 12-digit hexadecimal number assigned to each device connected to the network. Primarily specified as a unique identifier during device manufacturing, the MAC address is often found on a device network interface card (NIC). A MAC address is required when trying to locate a device or when performing diagnostics on a network device. The MAC address belongs to the data link layer of the Open System Interconnection model, which encapsulates the MAC address of the source and the destination in the header of each data frame to ensure node-to-node communication. Each network interface in a device is assigned a unique MAC address, so it's possible for a device to have more than one MAC address. For example, if a laptop has both an Ethernet cable port and built-in Wi-Fi, there will be two MAC addresses shown in the system configuration. A MAC address is often required when configuring a network router for device filtering or during network troubleshooting. While logged into a device, a user can typically find a MAC address in the system settings, general information or network setting, and status of the device. Commonly, the MAC address is affixed to the bottom of a device on a printed label. Sometimes manufacturers identify a MAC address by other names such as physical address, hardware ID, wireless ID, or Wi-Fi address. If we talk about how you can find the MAC address, you have to type for Windows especially. So type CMD or command prompt in the search box of the taskbar. Once inside the command prompt, type ipconfig/all and hit enter. Then display the network. Scroll down to the network adapter and look for a value description of the physical address field, which is the MAC address of the device. There are three types of MAC addresses. One is the unicast MAC address. A unicast MAC address is attached to a specific NIC on the local network. Then multicast MAC address. A source device can transmit a data frame to multiple devices by using a multicast group. IP address is assigned to devices belonging to the multicast group. Last one is the broadcast MAC address. This address represents every device on a given network. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.